adventure. Today we'll take you to exciting journey from Silang Cavite to Molly Port via Batangas Port. Alright, so our first stop, Silang Cavite to Batangas Port. We will start our journey from Silang Cavite. Imagine boarding to a comfortable van that we will wish you to away through a sword. Oh, sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful landscape as we hit at Batangas Port. So the trip will take about 2 to 3 hours. So you will have plenty time to enjoy the view or catch up the sunrise. So our second stop journey. Ayan. So Batangas Port. Upon arrival at Batangas Port, we will experience the vibrant atmosphere of one of the busiest port in the region. Make sure that check in early and grab your ferry ticket. The port has various amenities to make your way comfortable. The ferry ride itself will be highlight of the trip. So we move to our sea journey, Batangas Port to Molly Port. So board the ferry and get ready for an unforgettable sea voyage. The race of Molly Port usually takes around 1 to 2 hours. You will cross through sparkling blue water and get stunning view of the coastline. Keep your camera ready for some amazing sea shot. Alright, so finally guys, the destination Molly Port. As we approach Molly Port, you will have beautiful entrance of these serene destinations. Once this park, local transport will be available to take you to your final destination. Explore, relax, and enjoy the fresh sea breeze in this charming port. Alright, so pack your bag and get your cameras ready and let's see. Alright, napakaganda. Tuloy-tuloy po yung ating paglalakbay. Daan muna tayo dito sa isang kulayan o prutasan. Bibili tayo. Pagkatapos man yan, tuloy-tuloy na po yung paglalakbay natin. O, diba? Pagdating natin mula sa Molly Port, makikita natin gagandahang port na nag-aanyaya sa atin na tayo ay magpatuloy sa ating paglalakbay dito sa Mindoro. Okay, ang Mindoro ay kilala sa kanang natural na ganda at tahimik na kapaligiran. Maaari natin puntahan ang iba-ibang mga lugar katulad na lang Puerto Galera. Kung ikaw ay mahilig mag-beach sa Puerto Galera ay perfect para sa iyo. White sand beach, crystal clear water, and vibrant marine life, and iba pang magagandang tanawin dito. So ngayon guys, ang kasunod naman ay Tamaraw Falls. Para sa mga nature enthusiastic, in Tamaraw Falls is isang hidden game. Ay tiyak na magugustuhan mo ito, at lalo na sa mga nagmamahal. Green waterfalls na ito ay surrounded by lush greeny and perfect para sa mga mahaling nature photographers. And next po, last is isa sa mga pinaka-popular na destinasyon dito sa Mindoro ay ang White Beach. Ay kilala sa kanyang malinis na buting bahagi at malinaw na tubig. Perfect para sa mga gustong mag-relax at mag-enjoy sa water. So sa pagdating natin dito sa destination natin, mag-gala-gala tayo sa ilang mga oras, enjoy natin, mag-relax. Huwag kalimutan naman ang mga lokal na luto at mga prutas dito. Napakasarap talaga guys. Subukan ang mga iba't ibang activities dito sa Mindoro. So get ready to immerse yourself to stunning beauty of Mindoro mula sa Molly Port. Simulan natin ang ating exciting journey sa isang lugar na puno ng natural na kaganda. Safe travel and enjoy every moment of this amazing adventure. O diba, maliligo na tayo dito sa napakagandang swimming pool. Ayan, maliligo, mag-relax tayo kasi today is Friday and tuloy-tuloy po ngayon. So pagkatapos niyan, tayo ay mag-worship. Kasama natin yung mga sulat missionary. So abangan po guys bukas Saturday. Thank you for watching. This is Aaron by Musa, signing off.
Forever, I'll love you always. When the stars fade away and the night grows cold, you'll find my love like a story told. In every chapter, in every line, my heart is yours, now and for all time. I'll love you always, through the highs and the lows, in every every season as our story grows.
Nauna na yun sila.